How to log into Quora. Need to get back to your favorite discussions? Logging into a Quora account on a new device is quick and secure. This guide will show you how to access your existing profile so you can pick up right where you left off. Open the Quora app and tap on the login link at the bottom of the welcome screen. Enter the email address that you used to sign up and your password. If you have saved your password to your iPhone's keychain, you can simply tap the Passwords button above your keyboard and use Face ID or Touch ID to log in instantly without typing a single character. If you originally signed up using a social account, make sure to tap on the corresponding button, such as Continue with Apple or Continue with Facebook. This ensures you don't accidentally create a duplicate blank account. And you're back in the loop. Like and subscribe for more Quora account management tutorials.